What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. My name is Craig, and let's talk about the markets. We're going to go over some charts here in a minute, including XRP, Bitcoin, and the Dow Jones, and see what's going on. How many of you have ever heard the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent? I believe that's what's happening right now, because if you guys know anything about evaluations, obviously the markets are out of whack, but this could continue. Will it continue past the inauguration? Will it go until the inauguration and then stop? That's the question. We're going to try to figure that out and find out where to get in or out of these markets. But for those of you that trade, you know it doesn't matter what way the markets are going, especially if you're doing day trading or smaller term trades such as 4-hour chart and things like that. You can make money in bull markets. You can make money shorting, and in bear markets you can make money longing in little areas, right? So just something to keep in mind for those of you that want to get into trading. The opportunity never stops in the market, no matter what. You know, you don't have to depend on assets just going up or just going down. But anyway, with what's going on with this Trump pump, obviously the markets are liking a lot of things, right? Will it continue? Is it a buy the rumor, sell the news event? Or is it just going to continue and the markets are just going to keep going higher and higher until they devalue the dollar and roll in a new system like a lot of people are talking about, which is a possibility that we need to look at. But then what do you do with your funds? That's the question. If you guys have any answers to that, let me know in the description below. And I will look into it and, kind of share other people's ideas on this channel to get it out. And if you'd like to be on the channel to share your idea, let me know in the comments below. I also have an email address down there. But let's get into it. Let's look at the very bearish and the very bullish case for Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at the markets. But first, we're going to take a look at XRP. If that sounds good, make sure you guys smash that thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you think, and let's get into it. So, looking at Bitcoin, right? This is the very bullish case scenario, in my opinion, that we could get up as high as this 150 range, right? And that would probably run into the end of this year if it stayed on its 4-year cycle course, right? But what that would look like is us getting a new high here. Remember, we're going to take a look at the bullish case too, or the bearish case too. But I'm looking at the 122 range if this was to play out for wave 3, and then we would get a wave 4 down, retest that 81, 80 area before, possibly middle of the year, somewhere in there, and then continue up, right? That's what I'm looking for as a possibility. We'll see what happens there. But let's take a look at the bearish case, right? So the bearish case says it's possible we already topped out here. Could go a little bit higher, maybe 115, 120 range, but nevertheless, then you would see a big ABC correction to the downside. And within this ABC, if it was to happen, you're going to have, other waves up and down all the way down. But we'll see what happens here. This is your big bear case, 3,500 to 9,700. This would be just a simple flat correction, bringing it all the way back down to where it began, which would be a huge opportunity for everybody, especially shorting on the way down and then buying tons on the way up, if that's the case. Now, if you guys are interested in trading, check out PrimeXBT. They are a sponsor of the channel. I also have 2 more sponsors. People have been asking for something they can use without a VPN or no KYC, right? So I have 2 other options below, being MEXC and BITUNIX. But if you would like to use PrimeXBT, you can get up to a $7,500 bonus or a $7,000 bonus using my link down below. It'll bring you to this page and you can choose whichever offer you'd like. So the cool thing about Prime is you can trade traditional markets, gold, silver, oil, S&P, Dow Jones, Forex, everything all from one exchange. And let's take a look at our XRP chart. So XRP, we're looking at this as a possible bull flag, right? Getting us up to approximately 350 to 351. That's where I'd look for a big pullback, if not a top, right? And then we also have this measured move of this huge wedge, and we bring it to the breakout. That gets us up to about 391, not quite $4. We'll see what happens there. If we break above this and grab 4, then I am totally wrong about XRP, and maybe all those XRP people out there, and if you're one of them, let me know in the comments, that believe this is going to be the new money system and what's in charge of it. But we'll see what happens. Obviously, Gensler did the appeal, was it yesterday or the day before, on the SEC case. But if you know anything more about that, also let me know in the comments below. But that's what I'm looking at right now, guys. And so this is what we've been talking about forever. Let's look at this Bitcoin chart, right? From these highs right here, right? We drew this trend line off, which we broke above. And right now, that I told you, as long as we didn't open and close daily candles below this, we still had the possibility to get up to this 115, 116 range. I still believe that to be a possibility. Remember, as long as we're over this, that's still possible. But if we open and close some dailies under this 92.9, actually it's around 92.3, if we were to go straight down, which obviously we're not going straight down right now. But if that was to happen, then obviously I would say that that was the end of this and we had topped out, right? But again, anything above that, we still have the chance to get up and tag this area. We've talked about it for weeks. That's what I'm looking at, guys. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys smash the lights, subscribe to the channel for daily updates. As you guys know, I talked about it. I was slacking off for the last year and a half or so because I wasn't making videos every day. I was doing a lot of other things, but now I'm back. I will be making daily videos every morning, Monday through Friday, possibly some stuff on the weekends, and I'll be doing the members only live stream at least once a week, maybe more. I'll probably start that either next week or the following week, but I'll let you guys know. And obviously, if you're already a member, you'll see it pop up when I go live. So thanks again, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget, smash the thumbs up, subscribe, leave your comments, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in the next one.